This is the disaster in my house. Everything is dirty. The surfaces are dirty, but we got to sort it out right now. Hello good people, in today's video we're going to share the detergents that we use to do our cleaning in the kitchen. We have different surfaces. We have the cooker, we have ceramic spaces, we have wooden spaces, and a few kitchen gadgets. Yeah, so to clean our fridge we use a homemade detergent using our Morning Fresh. If you've been following us, you know we are shareholders at Morning Fresh because this is the only detergent that we love, especially the paste. And then we mix it with white vinegar and bicarbonate soda. That is the detergent we use to clean our fridge. That's just the basic cleaning. We can also use this. This is Magne Cleaner. It is also amazing, and I think in the category of cleaning products, I usually find this providing a good service. This is more affordable than our other option, which is Astonish. Let me tell you, my friend, this product is outstanding. The outcome I get when I clean with this is amazing. I'm not saying this one is not good, but this stands out, and actually I feel like you use less than what you use on this one. Comment down below with your preferred brand of cleaning. So those are for the fridge, yeah, and I also use it for the counter, and this lid for the cooker. I'm sure you have seen me clean the cooker, you have seen me clean the fridge. I will link the cleaning video down here so that you can catch up in case you missed. You can see this lid is sparkless clean, but on this one I used Magne. I'm going to just insert a clip here. We use jig to disinfect surfaces. It doesn't matter where, it can be the fridge, can be microwave. Actually the same detergent I use for the microwave, so I'm not going to show you a new thing for the microwave. Yeah, and then for cleaning the dishes I use this is Morning Fresh paste. Like I said, I'm a shareholder of this. Maybe I cheat once in a while on this, but this is magical for me. Yeah, and actually they started by giving offers. You buy this, you get a smaller one. Sometimes they are there, and sometimes they sell the same size, so that is what attracted me to them. But I think sometimes the offers are there, sometimes they're not there, but I think they achieved what they wanted to achieve because they have clientele. I am one of their loyal customers. Yeah. Then we have wooden surfaces. For wooden surfaces I use this Pledge. It's a wood cleaner. It's actually written furniture polish, so I use it to clean the surfaces that are wooden, and this applies for even other surfaces in my bedroom, my entertainment unit, and everything that is wooden. This is what I use. For cleaning my pots I use this or this. This is the magic. Use it with the steel wool. It is magical. Yeah, either of these two, they work for me. And the same thing happens. I use steel wool and either this or this for my cooker. If you have been following me, the last time I said when I use the liquid detergents, they are making my cooker, which is stainless, rust. So I stopped using this on my cooker or this Astonish, and I'm now using either of these two with a steel wool. The combination is magical. My pots shine. I shared a short video of how I clean my pots. I will also link it down below, but you can also check it out. And the outcome is amazing. For the floor, I use this Ariel and it smells amazing. But of course, I have to boost it with my favorite softener, which is Star Soft. You can see this. Yeah, and the Ariel. So this combo leaves my house smelling amazing. Sometimes I actually just use either of the two when I'm using different detergents, because sometimes I also clean the floor surfaces with this. I don't always just use the Ariel, sometimes I use this. So yeah, and then because my floor is tiled, if I have some stains, I have two products that I use. Let me just show you so that in case you're having a problem cleaning your tiles, you can get a solution. So this is what I use on my tiles. This is Astonish Extra Strength Mold and Mildew Stain Blaster. So if you have any stains, this is your cleaner. But you need to use a mask to protect yourself from the smell, and also protect your eyes and even your hands. So you need to also have gloves. Ensure you protect yourself from this because it's quite strong. Like its name, it's a blaster. So just make sure you're safe. This is for your tiles. I've not used it on other surfaces. Maybe I've not had an experience of mold and mildew, but it is working magic in my tiles, especially. Actually, this one I used it more in my bathroom tiles, because you know that's where there's water running from the floor, from the walls and all that. And my walls, sometimes they would get stained, but since I discovered this, I've not seen stains on my bathroom walls. Then there's this one, Cerazo. This is also another good one. It's also, all these detergents are available in the supermarket. Yeah, so I use this I started with this before I bought the mildew, this stain blaster. The reason I bought this stain blaster, because for the floor to be clean using this, you have to scrub. Yes, I scrubbed, it works, but you have to put in the energy. But when I use this, you soak and you leave it. When you're coming to scrub, the outcome is good. So don't hesitate to take this one. You just need some extra work. I think this is more affordable than this, so depending on your budget, you can try either, but this works magic. Yeah, I think that's all for the detergents that I use. I don't have a collection, I just have minimal, and even when I don't have the commercial detergents, I just make do with my basic. These are my basic detergents. This, and this. Even if I cannot afford everything else in the house, or I have nothing else in the house, I run my house with these three. This is the liquid, dishwashing liquid. I use it even on the floor. This is the white vinegar and bicarbonate soda. These are all magical. Don't start buying others and under pressure before you use this. This is everything that you need for the house. These others, they are just bonuses. Okay, for me. Maybe for you, you like the commercial ones, but for me, these are my basics, and I can always go to the others when the budget allows. So let's get to the cleaning. As you can see, my sink is full, and of course, like I said, I use Morning Fresh paste, and then the morning fresh dishwashing liquid for to supplement the paste. You can see everything is messy everywhere, but we're going to do justice just now, and you have already seen our product, so we'll not dwell much on that. So one thing about me, when I'm doing the dishes, I arrange them according to the different types of dishes. What is that thing you feel like you do which is weird? Because I can just wash them without arranging. But imagine, before I start doing the dishes, everything is matched with its equivalent: glasses, cups, everything they're put together, then the plates, the bowls, and all that. Comment down below your struggle, because sometimes I feel like this is my struggle, which may not even make sense to someone else. The dishes are now clean. Now we get to clean the counter. Like I said, it's just super bright and the dishwashing liquid. I don't do much scrubbing. And of course, I use serviettes. They make my work easier. Then next thing, we heat the cooker. We just start by moving everything that is at the top before we get to the cleaning. I'll not dwell much on the cleaning because we have already shared before. So finally we have the dishes clean. I love that. Then we have the cooker clean. Tick. I love, 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 love. The counter is also clean. Everything is clean and we are set for the next day. This cleaning was done at night. That's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos, and let us know the kind of videos you want us to share on this channel. See you on our next one. Bye.